Hello party people, it is Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. I'm here today with a little bit of soft flex. Got some soft flex unboxing going on, and hopefully by the end of the day, a project. So we'll jump down to the mat, get this party started. All right, y'all, here we are down on the mat. Got some things to share with you today. So we are looking at opening, let me just double check. Brunching in Style is the name of this kit. And then they have sent some information. So it looks like they want us to review starting on April 9th. They're going to be doing a spring fling for the Great Bead Extravaganza, which Softflex is always involved with. And then the Midsummer's Night Market in July and Fall Fest in October. So they got some dates coming up. If you didn't get this, you can maybe check it out. Talks about the Great Bead Extravaganza, and then you can always get this to focus. You can always scan this right here, and then that'll take you to the group. So we got that. This little guy just tells us what they always tell us, which is visit softflexcompany.com, which is where you will be able to purchase this kit and also get involved with their Facebook group. And this just tells you that you should be able to open this kit up and make something, which we are going to try to do. So, without further ado, let's jump into it. Brunching in Style. There's our sneak peek. We'll give this to Bunsen because we're a good cat mom. Bunsen, here's some tissue for you. Had to have a little zip of my coffee. Alright, let me dump these off over here to the side and we will start with them one by one. My mat is not the cleanest, but honestly, we're lucky it's cleaned off. If you know, you know. Zoom in a little bit. Alright, let's start with the star of the show here, which is going to be our Softflex wire. Now they bring, they always give you a roll of wire. It's 10 feet. And this one looks to be fluorite. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure I'm in the camera here. Fluorite color in medium. Oh, it's like a minty green. Kind of a minty green color. Okay, so we got medium, 26-pound test strength, 10 feet long. We got that. And let's start with strands. I always like to start with strands. Here's our strands. So these appear to be check glass rondelles and fire polish check glass with a Picasso finish. Yeah. So there's those guys. We have our crimp tubes. They always give crimp tubes to go with the wire. So these are size 2 crimp tubes, and they're generally like plated. And what do we got here? We have some findings of some sorts. Okay, we've got some earring wires. Then we've got some little drops. I like those. Those always make for interesting designs. And we've got a little flower charm and a little lobster claw. So they always usually give the earring wires and the lobster claw because if they're doing what they say they're doing, you should be able to open this and make something. And if that's the case, that means that you should be able to just open it and go, right? So there we go. So we got those guys. Put those to the side. And then we have Jesse James Beads and Softflex collaboration. We can do it. We can do it, camera. Autofocus. Brunching in Style is the name of this. So we're going to come back to that to sort out. And then we have a whole little bunch of, I don't know what this is, check glass it looks like. Let's take a look. Okay, so we got some check glass leaves here. Okay, these are stones. I was like, I saw this one rock and I was like, that looks like an agate. It is an agate. That's why it looks like one. So it looks like we have what I'm assuming to be red agate chips or agate chips of some sorts mixed in with check glass leaves and check glass green fire polish beads. Looks like a few crystals. Well, my camera is really not wanting to participate today. Okay, hold on. Looks like a few crystals there. And yeah, a couple other little guys. So those are cute. So a little mix, kind of a red-green mix. Okay, so those. And then we have the collaboration mix. Oh, no tape. No tape. I love it. The collaboration mix. Now, the collaboration mix happens between Jesse James and Softflex. And you can only get this on Softflex. Okay, so just FYI if you weren't aware. And they're usually made for these specific bundles from Softflex. So we've got some flowers. This is looking a little more springtimey, I would say. We've got a lot of flowers. Let's get those over here. We've got the little flower heads in blue. Looks like gold findings. Got some little cage beads. Alright, a few crystals here. Got a couple hearts. Oh, I got one heart. I must have two. Oh yeah, here it is. Two hearts. Some little tubes. Little crackle crystals. Some little yellow flower heads. A couple of those. There. Okay, so that's what that's looking like. It's looking a little more springtime, I would say. A little more springtime than, say, these, right? Okay, so let's bring these all in here. Bring everything in so we can see what we're working with. And we shall give our thoughts. There. Is everybody in the camera? There we go. And there we go. So that is Brunching in Style. So I'm just going to check the sheet here. They send the list along, so I'm just going to check it. Make sure we got everything. We've got our Softflex Fluorite beading wire, our 2x2 gold crimps, our 12mm gold lobster claw clasp. We've got our gold-plated earring wires. We've got our Jesse James mix. 2x3mm check glass aqua gem rondelles. Check glass sage green fire polish. 5mm green opal fire polish. Sage fire polish. I'm assuming this is all in here. Carnelian chips. Oh, carnelian chips. Okay, so I said red agate. But there's the carnelian. 8x5mm champagne AB drops, which are also in here. Gold tone flower charm. and the gold drop wire frames, which is these guys. Okay, so that is Brunching in Style. Okay, on the back of this, it does give you a $10 coupon off of an order of $50 or more, and then it also tells you to get involved, make something with your kit. Get involved with Softflex on their Facebook group, and you can enter to win a free kit next time. Okay, so this is our kit for now. My favorite part about the kit as of right now is I really do like this mix. I prefer this colorway over maybe the pastels. That's just my personal preference. So when I do move into making something, I'll probably be working more with this one. We'll see what happens in the next video. I hope you guys are all having a lovely, spectacular, amazing beading day today. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, support your girl while I'm off work from a job that I made up for myself. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!